In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check version history in OneDrive using the 2025 desktop browser interface. Version history is a powerful safety net. It lets you see older copies of your files, compare changes over time, and roll back if something was accidentally edited or deleted. Let's walk through it step by step so you can confidently review and restore what you need. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the OneDrive website. When the page loads, sign into your Microsoft account. Choose the account you use with OneDrive and complete any verification prompts you might see. Once you're in, you'll land on the main OneDrive home. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation panel and click My Files. This section shows all your folders and documents stored in OneDrive. Take a moment to locate the file you want to check. You can navigate through your folders as usual, and if you have a lot of content, the search bar at the top can speed things up. Switch between list or grid view if it helps you spot the file more easily. When you've found the file, hover over it and click the three dots that appear next to the file name. This opens the context menu with more actions. From that menu, select Version History. A panel will slide in, showing a timeline of previous versions, each labeled with the date and time they were saved. Depending on your organization's settings, you may also see who made the change and the file size for each version. To preview a specific version, click Open File. This opens that older copy in a new tab, so you can review its contents without altering your current document. Take your time comparing details to make sure it's the one you want. If you decide you need to go back to that version, click Restore next to it. OneDrive will make that older copy the current version, while preserving your previously current version in the history. That means you're not deleting anything permanently. You can always switch again if you change your mind. Just remember that restoring affects everyone with access to the file, so it's a good idea to let collaborators know when you roll back. That's all there is to it. With version history, you can quickly recover from mistakes, undo unwanted edits, and keep your work on track without losing progress. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.